What's up, tubers? Today I'm going to show y'all how to change the blade on the Wahl High-Viz Trimmer. It's going to be real simple. It's going to be easy. I know a lot of people get intimidated when you're thinking about changing a trimmer blade, but relax. Relax. You got it. We got this. We're going to do it together. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Okay, here's the three things that we need. We need a screwdriver. It's a Phillips head number 1. Obviously, we need the trimmer. And then we need the replacement blade. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to take my Phillips head screwdriver and I'm going to unscrew the screws. Release screw number 1. Now let's release screw number 2. Your screwdriver is going to be better than mine. This thing is a little janky. Now we got our screw. What I like to do is clean and make sure it's good. I usually have an air compressor, but I'm gonna just blow in and make it easy for y'all. Then I take my trimmer blade. Now this trimmer blade, the bottom one does come off. What you want to do is you want to align it with the top. You want to align it with the top, and then I put it down on the table. So this is basically an easy way to zero gap it, so it's flat. Okay, so now this is the main thing. You have these 2 prongs right here. You have to line these up with looks like there's 2 indentations right here. You line them up, put them right there, and then you just snap it on. Make sure your trimmer's off, not like mine, and you just snap it on. Then once I have it snapped on, then I line it up. Tighten it up. Tighten up screw number 2. Make sure it's on nice and good. Turn my trimmer on, and it's good to go. And what I do is I give myself the hand test. Make sure it's cutting the hair off my hand, and we back in the game. This is the easy way how you switch the blade on your Wahl High-Viz trimmer.